Imagine a world where cars fly above the cities, glasses replace smartphones, cities run entirely on clean energy, rockets travel like airplanes, and humans live half their lives in digital worlds. This isn't fiction. This is the real future of technology already being built today. Welcome to Fine Drops, and in the next 1 hour, you're about to witness the most powerful tech evolution in human history. Chapter 1: Flying Cars and Future Transportation. Transportation is the first industry about to explode into the future. Flying taxis are already being tested in Dubai, Japan, China, and the US. Vertical takeoff vehicles, electric air taxis, drone buses, all preparing to take humans off the roads and into the sky. Traditional roads will shrink. Traffic lights will disappear. Cities will redesign themselves vertically, not horizontally. Within 10-15 years, air taxis will replace short-distance flights. Personal flying vehicles will become affordable. Delivery drones will dominate logistics. Hyperloops will connect cities at airplane speed. Electric vehicles will fully replace fuel engines. The future moves without touching the ground. Chapter 2: Smartphones are ending. The slab in your hand, the smartphone is dying. The next generation device will be AR glasses, holographic displays, wristband computers, smart contact lenses, imaginary messages floating in front of your eyes. Imagine holographic maps guiding you. Imagine taking a call without holding anything. Apple, Meta, Samsung all building eyewear that replaces phones completely. In the future, no screens, no typing, no camera, severing control by eye movements, gestures, and voice. Your entire digital life will sit in front of your eyes. Chapter 3: Quantum computers and future chips. The chips inside your phone, tiny pieces of silicon, are reaching their limits. They can't get much smaller. They can't get faster. But quantum computers are about to rewrite everything. A quantum chip doesn't just compute zeros and ones, it computes every possible answer at the same time. This will revolutionize medicine, where the predictions of brace citrus exploration and materials energy production. Quantum computers will solve in minutes what today's supercomputers need thousands of years for. It will be the biggest jump in computing since computers were invented. Chapter 4: 6 grams, internet everywhere and hyper-connected world. 5G changed the world. 6 grams will reshape it completely. With 6G, downloading a whole Netflix season takes less than a second. Insiders will talk to each other. Cars will communicate with buildings. Hospitals will diagnose patients. Remote factories will run without human workers. 6G isn't just the internet. It's a global nervous system where every device, vehicle, sensor, and system is connected. Autonomous Bizdrone delivers digital billboards, Sunsen Drogen, high-speed tunnels, waste management robots, climate prediction system, sand homes. Your future home will cook based on diet, clean itself, photo, order groceries, monitor your health, adjust temperature, automatic caliporous. Electricity through smart roof shooms won't just be smart. They'll be alive, responsive, intelligent, and fully automated. Chapter 6: Robotics. Machines becoming human. Robots are no longer simple machines. They're evolving into advanced mechanical beings. In the next 10-15 years, robots will cook meals, robots will deliver packages, robots will repair roads, will assist elderly people, robots will patrol streets, robots will work in restaurants. Humanoid robots will become the biggest workforce on Earth. Not by brains, but pure mechanical engineering, sensors, motors, joints, design, precision, and mobility. Robots will be the new industrial revolution. Chapter 7: Medical Tech, Biotech and Life Extension. Technology is not just changing how we live, it's changing how long we live. Breakthroughs coming soon: lab-grown organs, regenerative tissue, smart implants, genetic repair tools, wearable health sensors, nabbits that travel inside the body, contact lenses that monitor blood sugar. The line between biology and technology is blurring. Human lifespan could increase to 110, 120, maybe even more. Chapter 8 Renewable Energy Revolution. Energy is the foundation of civilization, and it's transforming faster than ever. New energy breakthroughs, fusion reactor, solar glass windows, ultra fast-charging batteries, hydrogen engine, stellar energy systems. Wind turbines the size of skyscraper. Fusion will be the biggest one. It recreates the power of the sun, unlimited electricity, almost free. Once fusion becomes mainstream, countries will no longer fight over oil. Power will be abundant, cheap, and clean. The conclusion: the next 20 years will transform humanity more than the last 200 years combined. Flying cars, smart cities, robots, quantum chips, holograms, 6G, fusion power, future homes, new materials, new inventions. Technology isn't just changing life, it is creating an entirely new version of life. The future is not coming slowly. It is arriving fast, and it will belong to the people who understand it earliest.